Morning gang, hashtag morning gang, hashtag morning gang.
Minus Brandon. $20. No. Incredicoaster. Oh yeah, last year. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! We got the front POV in his hole! The baby! Ah! Shake, shake, shake! Elastic girl! My eyes, bro. What? This is so good in front. Yeah! Yeah! You guys are incredibly photogenic.
Us?
Yeah.
We're just fucking screaming, dude. Oh, fuck. Where's my leg hairs, bro?
No, I'm saying this. I've been on this before. I knew it was tight.
Hey! Hit this, John. Hit this sucker up.
Yo,
Whoa!
Yo, this is not itchy. What the fuck did I
You good? Dude! Look at that! Whoa!
Oh my god!
Oh, fuck my dick.
This is
This is not a kiddie ride, bro.
Whoa! Brandon! Oh god!
Drop incoming, Pepe laugh.
He's absolutely stupid. Good luck, Brandon! Oh no!
Stop.
Here we go.
They need to chill.
Bro!
That is abusive.
Oh my god, there's a pineapple churro? What? Oh, I'll get that one. You get the other one. Oh, that's good. Can I have the churro? You wanna get in line right now? You can stay with Brandon if you want. Wait, you should try my churro. Holy, look at that sugar, bro.
What?
It's hot. Is it good?
It's alright.
Let's go. Someone should collect the data. Collect the data of all the wait times. Plug in like their like location or something. Some other stats. Run some kind of machine learning. See if it causes if there's like a nice like curve going on. They probably like do this honestly, I think. I don't think it'll mock like normal economic trends. It's for the 4th of July. Yeah, Matt Tully was in this. It's the pep band things.
I think we've all seen our share of marching band.
Yeah.
We salute the Air Force of the United States of America.
Nah. They're in a tiki room. They just got kicked out.
We salute the United States Marine Corps.
Yeah. Smells like. Oh my god, Jared. Where would they go? They might go to Star Wars Land. Oh, they are at Star Wars Land. I'm actually nuts, dude.
I'm sure that they have a lot of incredibly intelligent people all trying to fix the power as well.
Oh yeah. I need to take a shit too. I was on camera. If we leave though, can we come back into Disney?
Yeah.
Oh, we just can't go back into California. Oh, wait, what? I thought someone said that you can only hop
Said it,
once.
and it was super brief and everyone was confused. Tyler asked someone yesterday.
I'll actually message her.
Friend who? She here?
Yeah, we saw her yesterday. Dude, you're trolling me. Dude, what?
I don't even know Anna. Let's go. Hey, buddy. They all went. Y'all are debated. I got a seat.
It kind of looks like her. Damn.
I was like in on the joke after you guys left.
No. I legit thought it was her from the side.
I did too.
My bad.
Drip. Go near it.
We can eyeball it,
Yeah. Or we can go to the Millennium Falcon just in case someone comes out. But wait, they never came out like in the public.
Yeah, they don't.
No picture with Daisy did.
I don't think they did that anymore for like COVID.
Oh, did you hear though? We met like Josh's like old Winter Park tech.
Was he like a Black Panther? Yeah. How did you know that was him?
He went up to me and said, "It was nice to see you again."
They shook his hand. We can walk to the Falcon if you want.
Yeah. We don't know when.
Look at all these camping Andes, bro.
Every time I shoot.
Oh my god, all these campers.
We should call Anna and be like, "Yo, Anna, meet up with us."
The real actor was like 8 feet tall. Oh yeah, vibrator.